Welcome, dear students. Today we are going to begin with a new chapter, that is Human Resources, chapter 7 of your geography. Okay, so take your book. Let us begin. So let us begin with the chapter Human Resources. Human resource is the most essential component of the development of the world. Okay, world, if you want to develop your country, your state, your district, your locality, then human resource is very much required, dear students. Okay, yes, it is not just the numbers, it is the quality and capacity of the human resource. Keep in mind, quality and capacity of whom? A human being who is a resource person. Okay, he can develop a country, he can make whatever he wants. Change of the country takes place depends on the human resource. Poorly educated, newly trained, unhealthy and unreliable human resource cannot help or cannot be a good output there, dear students. Keep in mind, poorly educated person cannot do anything. Lowly trained, not well trained, unhealthy competition, and unreliable human resources will damage everything. There cannot be a output, cannot be good. Okay, so human being needs to be a resource person, to be a capable person, then only everything will develop. Okay, be it in agriculture or industry or service or private sectors or whatever it is, we need a human resource with the potential, with the capacity. Okay, let us continue. We are going to see again human resource. Our earth has a variety of natural resources, dear students, natural resources. Okay, which includes water, land, soil, mineral, plants, animals, etc. Yes, these are all natural resources. Keep in your mind. It is the unique capability of the human beings as a resource which can explore, okay, which can exploit also, we can convert, can change, can improve upon these natural resources. You know, no? The soil you can do so many things, land you can do so many things, water you know, no? You can electricity is being generated, okay, hydropower, etc. Minerals you know, plants you know. So this can be converted through whom? Human beings. They can explore or they can exploit. Keep in your mind. Okay, so let us see. This is possible as the human mind can observe, analyze, okay, experiment and devise new things. From all this they can devise or make new things. Okay, it appears that more than the human beings in any particular nation, more should be the worth of the resources. Keep in your mind. It appears that more the human being is in a particular nation, more should be the worth of the human resource. Like India, there can be, because population is more and there should be human resource should be also more, but it is not there because of certain reasons. Okay, now let's see. But it is not so, as the quality of the human resource available is far more important than just quantity. Okay, human resource should be available, quantity is not important, quality is important, dear students. Okay, quality is required here. Now, natural resources have been available from immemorial, from the beginning of the world. For example, sunlight, again, water, wind have been there ever since the existence of the earth. Okay, and that it is the human resource which has been able to create energy out of the resources. From sunlight you can create solar system, water no, hydropower, etc., windmills. Okay, so these are the resources human being can create. These are already there. The human resources has also brought into technology which has affected every aspects of the life. Technology today, you know it. Without technology, none of you can survive. Okay, let us know from all the aspects of life, especially now mobile world. Okay, technology, internet world. Okay, so let us again, be it in the terms of comfort, transportations, communications, health, medicine, etc. Also, there is a need for other facilities like good health, education, ultimately improve the quality of manpower resources. Manpower resources is okay, then all these things also will improve. Okay. It is therefore important that every nation gives due weightage towards the development of this most important resource of the nature. I hope you understood. Human being is capable to generate whatever he wants. Okay. Next, ways to enhance the human resources, dear students. Let us see. Human beings can generate resources. Which are the things you can see? The capability of the human resource can be developed by taking the following measures. Let us see. Provide them with education, proper education, technical, vocationals, trainings, professional skills, etc. Balanced food for good health, as healthy body as healthy mind. Keep in mind. Making available the tools, machines, and implement them. Okay, healthy environment so that they can or they are capable of working hard. Opportunities are for good training and employment. So everything depends on how the mind is being trained, how a human being is trained. Depends on that, everything can be changed, dear students. Okay, so therefore we need to be smart enough. We need to develop our inner potentials, our skills to change the society. Okay, very fine. So I hope you understood the chapter. Thank you very much. Let your inner being be developed. Let your inner potential be developed. Okay, as we begin this chapter, you will understand many things. So thank you very much. Have a great day.